Hi! In front of me is NOKIA T10 and today I would like to show you how you can manage automatic screen rotation. You need to begin by going into Tab menu and looking for Auto Rotate shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is now blue. That means that autocorrection is enabled, but you can always disable it by choosing the same tile again. You can also go into Devices settings, scroll down just a bit and tap on Display. Then scroll down again and click on this switcher next to Auto Rotate Screen to turn it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!